So I installed this guys using the command. Let me tell you. So I pasted the command, this one, from here. Okay, I will give you this command in description box. And password is small cloud only. This is the password. Then it will extract all this and give you. Okay, now I'm finally here. I pasted one more command. So let me paste it here. -q. Okay, so I will give you these commands to run. And then what we did, it is installed now. So we went there, click on archive manager, this will open. Now you have to click on plus, click on new archive here. Now give the file name as lab1 zip file and select here zip guys. It is already selected for me, but for you it can be something like this. So always add zip file, otherwise it will create these extensions. Okay, so location will be in cloud only, or you can give in your download folder. Open it. So it will be saved here. Okay, now let's create the zip file guys. What will be inside the zip file we have to add now. Okay, so let's go to download folder. So we have zip file or not here. Zip. It is not there guys. Let's add our files first, then it will be created. Okay, select this to using shift select all and add all. So our lab1 zip file is created guys. See, and now it's visible, lab1 zip file. Now you can extract it here guys. Now see, zip file contained all our files. Okay, index file and cost file we don't need guys, delete it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and our CSS stuff. So all this zip file is needed to be submitted. I mean zip file. Let me delete this. And this is the zip file to submit, and along with this we have to submit our answer sheet. Answer sheet means this document. Okay, so you have to change your name here guys, and then change your bits ID. Let me do it. Heera Thakur. Now change it to your bits ID 1956 123 www. Change it guys, change here also. Heera Thakur. Write it to your bits ID guys. Now objective will be same, you can keep same. Then we have to paste our index file. Is it visible? Yeah, nice. So CSS style paste guys using VS Code, a screenshot, and you can also zoom it to view. Okay, and then add all the module 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screenshot, and then additionally paste your index file code from VS Code. Okay, these all were the outputs only. These all were outputs of Index.html. CSS don't produce output, that's why I said you to give the code in VS Code. Okay, and paste all this will be screenshot like this guy. Let me tell you. Go to downloads. This is the index file. It will be opening in Firefox. So let me close the duplicates. See, this is going to be my first screenshot, which I will paste. Document. Paste it here, guys. Remove that and paste it. Index file is done. CSS I need in code. Okay. So for module 1, take this screenshot. Sorry, you need take screenshot from here. For module 2 to 8, do it same to same guys. I'm not doing it to save your time. For CSS, I will tell you it. CSS, go to your VS Code. Don't click it twice or thrice, guys. It will open multiple times only. So you have to be patient. So it is working, and now where is our CSS style? Guys, remove all this cost file, okay? Delete it and delete it. Move to trash. Otherwise it will be visible. So this is our CSS. You can zoom it, guys. Hmm, there should be some option to zoom or something, guys. I will tell you later, guys. First take the screenshots and paste it, okay? Paste the screenshot. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all done, all done. Index file code, okay? So where is our index file? This is our index file. Take the screenshot of this also. You can zoom in and give multiple screenshots if you want. Remove the red lines and paste it. And this is going to be our conclusion. This static academic website successfully designed and implemented as per the given specification with HTML5 and OSHA Cloud Lab. And give the lab usage guide. That's it. Our document preparation is done. I am giving you all the conclusion and this all in written in my description box. Okay, I will give you all this in my description box. You can check there. Okay, guys, that's it. And one more doubt you people had, how to get my codes, which are these. All these files are shared, but you don't know how to get this inside the lab. It's simple, guys. Go to the Firefox, click on the web telegram.org or search Telegram. You have to click on this web Telegram, okay? It will be opening web Telegram. I cannot show you my Telegram, so you can get it from there. Let me first log out and then I can show you the links. I am logging out. Wait to log out. I'm not getting option to log out, guys. Give me some more time. So yes, I am now logged out, guys. Let me give you the access to be visible. Yes, guys, see, close this, close this. Now I have searched Telegram, okay? Click on search. You will get Telegram. Click on the web Telegram. Then it will take you to a QR code where you have to scan this QR code and then get logged in, okay? So scan this QR code using your mobile Telegram. Okay, go to the settings, go to the devices, and then link desktop device. And then you will be opened with a scanner. Then you have to scan this QR code shown in your laptop. Okay, then your mobile Telegram will come here as web Telegram. It will be opening in your web. Okay. Then you can download all my codes inside the lab. This is my lab. And if you want, If you are a Chrome user, guys, just download Chrome here. Chrome download. CHROME. Okay, Google Chrome browser. Now click on the download Chrome. 64-bit Ubuntu. No, we have Fedora, guys. Okay, use Fedora. Debian Ubuntu is not there. How I got this? Using